How does an endorsement affect your auto insurance premium? Have you ever wondered how an endorsement can change what you pay for auto insurance? Let's break it down in a way that makes sense. An endorsement is basically a change or addition to your existing auto insurance policy. It can modify coverage terms, add new types of coverage, or adjust limits. The impact on your premium really depends on what kind of endorsement you are looking at. When you add coverage through an endorsement, you can usually expect your premium to go up. This is because you are getting extra protection. For example, if you choose endorsements like roadside assistance or rental car reimbursement, your premium might increase by a few dollars each month. In some cases, it could even add hundreds of dollars to your annual costs. The specific amount varies based on the type of coverage and the insurance company. Some endorsements are more specialized, like new car replacement or gap insurance. These can also increase your premium, but the price will depend on the details of the coverage you choose. On the flip side, not all endorsements will raise your premium. In fact, some might not change it at all or could even lower it. For instance, if you simply update a name on your policy, it usually does not affect your rates. Additionally, endorsements that limit your coverage, add exclusions, or increase your deductibles can actually reduce your premium. This is because they lower the risk for the insurance company. The effect of an endorsement on your premium can also depend on other factors. Your driving history, the pricing model of your insurance company, and the specific terms of the endorsement all play a role. For example, a rideshare endorsement might cost as little as $6 per month with one insurer, while another might charge a higher percentage of your premium. Endorsements are part of your legal insurance contract and stay in effect until your policy expires or you remove the endorsement. You can add or modify endorsements when you first purchase your policy, during renewal, or even in the middle of your policy term. This gives you flexibility to adjust your coverage as your needs change. So, how does an endorsement affect your auto insurance premium? Generally, adding coverage increases your premium, while removing coverage or adding exclusions can decrease it. The exact change will depend on the type of endorsement, your personal risk factors, and how your insurance company prices their policies.